5 AI tools that changed how I work. You know that feeling when you spend more time organizing your work than actually doing it? Yeah. I hit that wall last year. So I went looking for tools that would actually fix the problem. Not just add more noise. After testing dozens, here are the 5 that completely rewired how I get things done. Let's start with the biggest game changer, voice interaction. I use Hermes, an AI agent that I talk to daily. Not type. Talk. When I'm in the middle of something and an idea hits, I just speak it. Hey, schedule that meeting for Thursday, save this note, check my server status. It's faster than typing, faster than clicking through menus, and it keeps me in flow state. The shift from typing to speaking alone saved me about 2 hours a day. Number 2, code generation agents. Tools like Claude Code and Codex have turned me from someone who knows just enough code to be dangerous into someone who can build production-grade tools. Need a web scraper? Describe it, review the output, done. Need to refactor a messy Python script? Feed it in, get back clean code with comments. The key insight here is that I'm not replacing myself. I'm reviewing instead of writing, and review is 10 times faster. Third, Obsidian with AI plugins. This has been my second brain hack. I take messy notes during calls and random thoughts throughout the day. The AI automatically links related ideas between notes, creates summaries of long research reads, and even suggests connections I'd never see on my own. Over 6 months, I built a knowledge base that actually works. I can search it, ask questions against it, and it surfaces relevant notes from 6 months ago that I had completely forgotten about. That alone has saved me from re-researching topics 3 times over. Number 4, automated publishing tools. Whether it's YouTube scripts like this one, blog posts, or social media updates, I've built a pipeline that handles drafting, formatting, and scheduling. I produce the core ideas. The AI handles the grunt work. Used to take me 3 hours to produce a single article. Now it's 45 minutes. And 5, task automation. Cran jobs that run AI scripts on a schedule. Every morning, my system checks my servers, scans my notes, generates a status report, and delivers it before I've had coffee. I'm not micromanaging operations anymore. I'm just reading the summary and deciding what needs my attention. Here's what I learned. These tools aren't magic. They don't replace thinking. They replace overhead. Every single one of them took something I was doing manually, organizing, searching, formatting, scheduling, and automated it so I could focus on the actual work. So if you're drowning in busy work right now, pick one area. Just one. Voice, or notes, or scheduling. Automate that first. See how it feels. Then take the next step. If this was useful, subscribe. I release new tools and workflows every week. And drop a comment, what's the one task you'd automate if you could wave a magic wand? I read every single one. See you in the next video.